ganyan na bumiyahe. Ano pambiyahe?
Isa pong exciting dito. Ito ay lalapag sa Edinburgh Airport. Yan. So, dyan lang po yung airport. Yan, yan.
Coming in.
When the night.
So you only get two chances in it when you're fishing for mackerel. Either you get it when it's coming, the tide is coming, or there are times you will catch more when it's going down. Yeah. Either way.
Medyo bumagal ng hulihan. Yeah. Pero kota na to, kota.
The wind will be a chance to catch it. Keep it going, man. Keep it going.
Yeah.
Wala na po ng bagong sandata dahil ito po ay gagamitan po natin siya ng sandatang visa.
Nice catch. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'll put it in YouTube. Magpalit ka naman, oh. May bago ka naman pala eh. Di pa yung bago ginagamit mo. Nagtitipid ka pa, ha?
Partida nga eh. Kaya naman sa kanila.
One night.
Ay, naka-boundary na yun eh.
Oh. Lumalamig.
Ha?
Lumalamig. Ah, lamig ng kamay ko eh. Sumasakit din yung gout ko. Bumagal ang hulihan. Oh, yeah. You will get burned like jellyfish. It goes around to your skin.
I saw 2 sea trout today in the harbour with us.
All right.
When I was small, you could get onto there.
Oh, in that.
Used to go down at low tide and then climb up a ladder. But then they built a bridge, a metal bridge, and you used to get lots of mackerel and
Oh.
sometimes cod, good cod. Sometimes they move on.
Yeah, they're just playing around, eh? That's it, that's it, that's it. Oh, that's huge.
Big one.
Oh, yo, yo.
Oh, yeah.
It's not poor.
I had another one.
Yeah?
Of course, you need to study the
You were
rules.
saying yesterday that you're not allowed. Why not? If it's only one or two.
You're allowed.
Yeah, I think you're allowed, but some people are very...
Some of the trawlermen are discouraging people to,
Yeah, they're
to do it.
discouraging you.
Mm.
They're trying to discourage you, but I don't think so.
Yeah, you're
May bago ka ng hobby, Dudong? Ha? Hindi na kanta ang hobby mo sa kasayawan? Fishing na ngayon? New guy also in fishing. Wala na, lumayo na sila.
Pagod na yung bra.
Bumalik. Ikot-ikot lang ang mga isda.
Nakuha ko na kanina yung kainitan eh. Ubus ko na yung kainitan.
Oo. May meron ng 30 yung huli mo eh.
Ha?
Baka meron ng 30. Eh, yun nga lang. Yung wala. Oh! Pompino! Oh!
Well done.
6'5".
Dong, oh. Ayan, ano mo, ayan, oh.
Oh! Oh, lala. Ayan po. Aha. Oh.
Six, all of them hooks.
If you want, you can put 10.
Dong, bilisan mo. Ayan na naman sila. Ay, pinakalingan ng ako eh. Ito.
Ayan po. Nagbalikan na naman sila.
Yung bubuhuli ng aking hook. Ang balik ko kaagad. Ay, nakawala oh. Nakawala.
Oh. Nawala.
Sabi ko na eh.
Fake news.